Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. So we'll take a plastic bottle and stick these sticks on it using the glue gun like this. Next, take another plastic bottle and cut out the shapes from it as shown in the video. Now color it using the yellow color. Now take a paper clip, open it like this and paste it on the yellow flower like this. Put it on the back of the piggy to make its tail, make its ears, draw its eyes and mouth, and your piggy bank is ready. Next, we will take a brown sheet and draw the lines on it like this, cut it out. Now make the cuts on it and then paste it by folding it. Make a box like shape. Now paste it on the white sheet like this. So here we are making a greeting card. So now we will make the flowers out of paper and paste it over it like this. Now we will put a heart in the top and your card is ready. Next, take a cylindrical object like this and make the cuts on it. Now paste the sellotape over it like this and draw the different designs on it using different colors. Now take the cylindrical object, put the light inside it, and your torch is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a circle on the green sheet and cut it out. Now fold it as shown in the video. Make few more as such and then paste all of them together like this one by one. Now take a straw and put it on the top of it like this. Now paste them together and your umbrella is ready. Next, we will take a small piece of square paper and then cut it from the side after folding. Fold it. So here we are making a butterfly and it's done. Next, take a pink color sheet and then cut it in the shape shown. So here we are making a bunny gift box. Make the bunny face, fix it, and it's done. Next, take a white paper strip and put the another strip over it like this. Now fold them to make the spring out of it. Now cut it the leftover part and then paste them as shown in the video using the glue. Now we will take another paper strip like this and cut it and then paste them. So here we will make a small bunny face on the white sheet like this. Color it, make its ears, and then paste it over the spring as shown in the video. After that, we will paste the legs and hands of the bunny. Paste them all on the white spring and your toy is ready. Thanks for watching.